Yeah, it's interesting. Humans have relied on machines for automation for a long time. And it used to be that, if your machine in the factory breaks down, you just decommission it or replace a part. But one of the challenges here is that, OpenAI owns the means of production. And that's a big weakness, I think, of this framework.
It is. And, it's really interesting when you dig down into the weeds of the community that is running and refining and fine-tuning open source models. And, there's some really fascinating individuals involved in this. The reason that a lot of people are doing this is exactly what you say. It's, dare I say it, not wanting to have the means of production wrested from their control. If the means of production is, in fact, access to intelligence, machine intelligence specifically, we're seeing this race and comparative frameworks to look at the performance of GPT 3.5 or Claude or GPT-4 and now GPT-4 Turbo compared to Llama 2, Llama 3, which is coming sometime towards the end of winter, according to Meta. We're seeing this sort of arms race between obviously incredibly capable models, even though GPT-4 is rumored not to be a model, but a system of experts, as they call it, 6 or 7 200 billion parameter models versus quantized models that can run on a desktop GPU. And the fact that they're neck and neck, I think, is very fascinating because it might mean that OpenAI doesn't have a protectable moat. And, there's a famous essay that was allegedly leaked from Google about 6 months ago now that, that said, OpenAI doesn't have a protectable moat and neither do we. I hope, frankly, that might be true because if we centralize these capabilities entirely to the behemoths of industry, to your point, suddenly everybody is entirely reliant on a very large single point of failure organization that might change fundamentally in behavior and remove your ability to participate. And that's dangerous.